To take the backup of the WordPress website which we have developed, there are two things we need to do. The first one, that we need to take the backup of MySQL database which we created in the beginning at the time of installation, because whatever we do, it goes to the database and it remains there. And the second thing, we need to copy the whole folder which we pasted in the XAMPP htdocs directory. So let me show you how we can take the backup. So first I'm going to show you that how to take the backup of the MySQL database. So first you start the browser and enter localhost and get this page, and then click on PHP MyAdmin. It will connect you to the graphical user interface of MySQL database. So once you are inside the graphical user interface GUI of MySQL, you will find your database name there. We created the database as WordPress, so you need to take the backup of this database. So simply go to export. You will find the option export, and when you click on export, it will show the list of database there. Okay. Since we have not selected any databases, so it is asking first you need to select the database. Okay, I have selected the database now, and now I'm going to click export, and then what will happen, it will ask me that where you want to throw, in which format you want to throw. So I have taken SQL and just click on go. So once I click on go, so it will throw the database with the name 127001.sql, or else you can see the all the databases name here. So if you don't want to go with the previous option, you can go like this. You can select the particular database, and here you can choose some of the option, means if you require, else you leave everything as it is, do not make any changes. And then you can change the file name if you wish. You can change it like WordPress, and then you can throw it by clicking on go. So you will notice that it has changed the name WordPress.sql, and then you click on save. So one database backup has been taken from the PHP MyAdmin graphical user interface. Okay, now to take the backup of we need to take the backup of the WordPress folder which we have in the XAMPP directory. So open XAMPP directory and htdocs, and copy the whole folder. You just copy the whole folder, and you just keep it wherever you wish. So you need to take the backup of two things. The first one, your database, and the second one, this WordPress. Okay, let me tell you, suppose the same thing you want to restore. So what you will do, first you need to create the database. This was for, means so far we have discussed the exporting the database, means we have taken the backup. Now you will definitely, suppose you are restoring to some other system or online. So what you need to do, if you want to restore online, so the first thing, you have to create one database in PHP MyAdmin, the database with the name WordPress or whatever you wish. Only you need to remember this name, and then go to import, and here when you click on import, it will show you that which file you want to import. So select this, and go to the particular place where you have the database. Yes, it is here. So you select this one and click on open. So what it will do, it will fetch the database and restore in the created database. So that is one part. And the second part that we have to do, that this WordPress folder, all the content you need to paste in the jam htdocs directory if you are restoring in the local system, and if you are restoring it online, so you need to restore to the place where you are supposed to keep all the files, and then you run the website, it will run. You may get one problem that will be related to the database name. So what you need to do, suppose you are restoring in some other system, so there is a file called wp-config. You just open this file with notepad or any wordpad or any editor, and make the changes as per the database name. Suppose you have changed the database name, so you need to change the database name. Then what will be your username of the MySQL? Remember that the username of MySQL may change if you are restoring it online, because this is in case of only jam, where this is the by default username is root and password is nothing, blank. So these two things you have to change accordingly. Three things: the database name, the username, if the web host provider provides you the database name, you need to change here, and the password, it is compulsory in case of if you are hosting online. So they will provide you the password, database password. You make the changes here, save the file, and that's all. You have done it successfully, and now you run the website, so you will get the page as you have designed. So thank you very much for watching this video. Hope this video will help you to solve your purpose. Stay updated with Librarian Guide. Thanks once again for watching this video.
Hello friends, so far we have discussed, I think, almost every aspect related to our web designing or web application development with WordPress. So let me take this opportunity to express my sincere thanks to all the participants who have been taking the keen interest in learning the WordPress and the development of the application with WordPress throughout the day. I am sure and very happy that you will be confident enough now to develop your online application with the help of content management system WordPress. If at any point of time you feel that you have any difficulty in designing the application, I am always there with you. You can drop a mail at any time at given email ID and you can reach me at any time. So thanks for watching all the information. Thanks for watching the Librarian Guide. Stay updated with Librarian Guide for more videos, for more information. Thanks once again to all.